I want to show you today the blues scale. And the blues scale is one of the most useful things you will ever learn on the guitar, because the blues scale is used very extensively for lead guitar playing, for making up solos, for improvising solos, and it's used in, obviously, the name of the scale would indicate that it's used in blues a lot, but as you already know, rock music is very, very strongly influenced by the blues, and so most rock players will use this scale at least some of the time when they're soloing. So this is also a movable fingering. I don't think we've done any movable fingerings yet. A movable fingering is a fingering, it's just what it sounds like. I can take the same fingering and move it to different places on the fingerboard, and it will be playing the same scale but at a different key.
Yeah.
That happens a little bit on the violin,
Yeah.
but not as much as it does on the guitar.
Yeah.
So here's how this scale works. I'm going to do it starting on the 5th fret, just because it's a convenient place. So I'm going to use my first finger on the 6th string, 5th fret. The next note is 8th fret on that string, so I'll use my pinky. Then on this string I get first finger on the 5th fret, second finger on the 6th fret, third finger on the 7th fret. And then on the next string, first finger on the 5th fret, and then a third finger on the 7th fret. So that's our first octave, Andrew. So let's... No, careful. That's better. Good. Continuing the next note. We get first finger, third finger, right. Next two strings are easy. First finger, pinky. I want you to notice that the actual octave is there if I play. But, and if we were playing the scale as a scale, we would probably end on the octave. But if you're using the scale to make up licks, every note that you have available is nice to know about. So, everything that I'm playing right now comes right out of that blues scale. I mean, I'm doing a lot of stuff with it, but every... What am I doing now? What do you think that is? Hammers and pulls. When you do continuously back and forth hammer, pull, hammer, pull, that's what we call a trill. I'm sure you've done trills on the fiddle, right? On the violin. So the first thing you want to do is play through the scale, and after you can play through it going up, you also have to be able to go back out. So try that for me. Third finger, pinky. You missed one note. Back on the 3rd string. This first finger, third finger, and then little finger, yes. No third, no pinky. No, just 1 and 3. Careful, use your third. That's better. Good, very good. Once again, for doing it for the first time, that was excellent. As you have a chance to practice it,